to sum up, we are aware of the ruling of the Spanish Supreme Court, which follows up on the preliminary ruling issued by the European Court of Justice in December on the protocol on the privileges and immunities of the European Union. And for the rest, regarding your broader question about the justice system, we respect, of course, the Spanish constitutional order, and there is no further comment to make on that. Is it linked to that? So I think you were first, Jorge.
Yeah, so question on this, but do you consider that in Spain, the Supreme Court is respecting the ruling of the European Court of Justice? And also related to this, the central argument of the Supreme Court is that now there is a ruling following the Junqueras and the pro-independence leaders case. So I don't know if you have time to assess the Supreme Court decision, but if so, do you agree with their reading that now that there is a ruling, the Junqueras is no longer allowed to travel to Strasbourg, or they should have request to lift the immunity?
Well, I think, as Dana also explained, we are now studying the legal situation and have at this stage no comment to offer. Obviously, and that is something I would like to repeat, is that there is no question indeed, as I said before, that the preliminary rulings of the Court of Justice are binding on national authorities and courts. And I'll have to leave it at that.
Absolutely, and in addition to that, we can only say that we note that the preliminary ruling of the European Court of Justice raises novel and complex legal issues, which are in the first place for the European Parliament and for the national courts to assess. Lorenzo, it was about that as well, I believe.